students, welcome to Ajax Academy YouTube channel. In this session, I am going to discuss class 10 CBSE Light Refraction Part 2. Multiple choice questions and answers. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Please share your valuable comments in the comment section. Okay, let us go to the today's session. First one. Refraction of light and refractive index. Light of frequency n, wavelength lambda travelling with a velocity v enters into glass slab of refractive index mu. Then frequency, wavelength and velocity of wave in glass slab respectively. Here they are asking that light of frequency n, wavelength lambda travelling with a velocity v enters into a glass slab of refractive index mu. Then we have to calculate frequency, wavelength and velocity of wave in glass slab. So here glass slab of frequency, wavelength and velocity of the wave are n lambda by mu and v by mu. So second option is correct. Next we will go to the next question. If Mij represents refractive index when a light ray goes from medium I to medium J. Here light ray travelling from one medium to another medium. Here one medium is I, the other medium is J. First medium is I, the second medium is J. Now the light ray goes from medium I to medium J. Then the product of M21, M32 and M43 is equal to first option M31, second option M32, third option 1 by M14 and fourth option is M42. Here 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3 refers the refractive indices of mediums. Second medium, first medium, third medium, second medium, fourth medium, fourth one and third one, like this. So here Mij represents the refractive index. Light ray travelling from I to medium J, medium I to medium J. Then the product is equal to 1 by M1 to 4. Okay, third option is correct. Next. The main cause of decrease in intensity of light on refraction is. So what is the main thing of decrease in intensity of light on refraction? So what is the main reason of decrease in the intensity of light on refraction? First one is scattering of light, second option is passing of light from one medium to another, third one is total internal reflection, fourth one is partial reflection and partial absorption. So in these four options, what is the main reason of decrease in the intensity of light on refraction? So which option is correct? Fourth one is correct. Partial reflection and partial absorption is the main reason of decrease in intensity of light on refraction. Okay, next. In this question, sin I by sin r is equals to constant. The value of constant depends upon here ratio of sin of I nothing but angle of incidence, r nothing but angle of refraction. So ratio of sin of angle of incidence and sin of angle of refraction is constant, that is mu. So mu depends upon what? Here in this pair of media, color of incident light, wavelength, refracting nature of material. So first option is only on A and second option is only on B, third option is only on A and D, fourth option is only that is A, B, C, D. So, value of constant depends on all factors. It depends upon pair of media, it depends upon color of incident light, and it depends upon wavelength, and it depends upon refracting nature of material. So, the correct answer is A, B, C, D. Fourth option is correct. Okay. Next. Absolute refractive index of a material depends on nature of material, nature, wavelength and size of material, density, temperature, wavelength of material, nature, temperature, wavelength of material. Absolute refractive index of a material depends upon absolute refractive index, nothing but that is refractive index N is equals to C by V. This is refractive index or also called as absolute refractive index. So, absolute refractive index is defined as the ratio of speed of light in air or vacuum by speed of light in medium. So, this depends on nature of material, temperature, wavelength of material. So, absolute refractive index of material depends on nature, temperature, wavelength of material. Okay. Next. A plain glass plate is placed over various colored letters. The letter which appears to be raised least. Which color letters are appear to be raised least? First option is violet, yellow, red and green. So, the red color letters appears to be raised least. Okay. Next. A hunter desires to shoot a fish whose image could be seen through clear water. His aim should be above the apparent image of fish, below the apparent image of fish, in the line of sight of fish, parallel to the surface of water. Here, a hunter desires to shoot a fish whose image could be seen through clear water. Here, a hunter decided that to shoot a fish. So, what is his aim? His aim should be below the apparent image of fish. Then he shoots a fish. Okay. So, his aim should be below the apparent image of fish. Next, a rectangular solid piece is placed in a liquid whose refractive index is same as that of the solid. The sides of the solid will appear be bent inward. The sides of the solid will appear to bend outward. The solid will not be seen at all. The solid will appear as in air. Here, a rectangular solid piece is placed in a liquid whose refractive index is same as that of the solid. So, the solid will not be seen at all. Rectangular solid piece is placed in a liquid whose refractive index is same as that of the solid. Here refractive indices are same. So, that is why the solid will not be seen at all. Next, critical angle and total internal reflection. Let us discuss. As temperature of medium increases, the critical angle. So, if you increase the temperature of medium, what happens to the critical angle? First option increases, decreases, remains same, and first increases then decreases. So, temperature of the medium increases. If you are increasing the temperature, what happens to the critical angle? Critical angle also increases. As temperature of the medium increases, the critical angle increases. Okay. Next, a ball coated with a lamp black put in a glass tank containing water appears silvery white due to refraction, diffraction, interference, total internal reflection. Here a ball coated with lamp black put in a glass tank containing water appears silvery white due to what? Due to what here it is appearing silvery white due to total internal reflection. Total internal reflection nothing but the phenomenon of light ray traveling from one medium to another medium after refraction. Again it never enters to the other medium, it entering the same medium. So that's why here because of total internal reflection it appears silvery white, okay, due to total internal reflection, that is we are calling as TIR. Next one, arrange the following combinations in the increasing order critical angle: air water interface, air glass interface, water glass interface, air diamond interface. So here we are arranging the following combinations in the increasing order critical angle. First option is DABC, second option is ABCD, third option is DCBA, and fourth one is BCAD. So increasing order is ABCD. Okay. Next. First one, assertion. Formation of mirages in hot deserts is a phenomenon of total internal reflection. Now we'll see reason. Reason is that air close to the land is hotter than the air from the land in a hot desert. So statement A is correct and or is wrong. Statement A is correct or is right. Statement A and or are both are correct but or is not correct expression of A. Statement A and or both are correct and or is correct explanation of A. Here assertion is formation of mirages in hot deserts is a phenomenon of total interreflection. Correct. Reason is air close to the land is hotter than the air from the land in a hot desert. Yes. This is also correct explanation of A. So the correct answer is first one A, second one B, third one C, fourth one D. So correct answer is fourth one, that is option D. So in this A, B, C, D, D is correct. So the option fourth option is correct. The assertion and reason are correct and R is the correct explanation of A. Okay. Next. In an optical fiber, core region is transparent, cladding is opaque. Core region is opaque, cladding is transparent. Both core and cladding regions are transparent. Both core and cladding regions are opaque. So in an optical fiber, both core and cladding regions are transparent. Okay, third option is correct. Next. In an optical fiber, during transmission of light, energy increases, energy decreases, no loss of propagation of energy takes place, light partially and refracts. Here, in an optical fiber, during transmission of light, no loss of propagation of energy takes place. Okay, third option is correct. Now next, I'll discuss lenses and their combination and lens maker's formula. So based on this MCQs. If Fy and Fb are focal length of a convex lens for yellow and blue colors respectively, then Fy is equals to Fb, Fy is greater than Fb and Fy is less than Fb, and fourth option is square root of Fy is equals to Fb. Here Fy is greater than Fb. So Fy and Fb are focal length of yellow and focal length of blue colors of for a convex lens. So Fy is greater than Fb. Second option is correct. Next, Fb and Fr are focal lengths of a convex lens for blue and red light respectively, and Fb and Fr are focal lengths of the concave lens for blue and red light respectively. Here small fb, small fr represents the convex lens for blue and red light. Capital FB and capital FR represents the focal length of concave lens for blue and red light. We must then have FB is greater than FR and FB is less than FR. FB is less than FR and FB is greater than FR. FB is greater than FR and FB is greater than FR. FB is less than FR and FB is less than FR. So in this 4 option, which is correct one? FB is less than FR. For convex lens, blue color focal length, that is less than FR. So focal length of in regarding concave lens, focal length of blue color is less than focal length of red color concave lens. Okay, so fourth option is correct. Next, to get real magnified image in convex lens, the object position is in between lens and focus, in between f1 to f, at f, beyond 2f. So to get the real magnified image in convex lens, so in convex lens, what is the object position to get the real and magnified image between f and 2f? Okay. Next, the decrease in the aperture of the lens changes the position of the image, the size of the image, the intensity of the image, both the position and size of the image. So the decrease in aperture of the lens changes the intensity of the image. Okay. Next, a white object AB is kept before a convex lens. The lens produces the image of white object AB with the sizes as BV, AV and BR, AR with respect to violet and red colors. Then size of BV, AV is equals to size of BR and AR. Size of BV, AV is greater than size of BR, AR. Size of BR, AR is greater than size of BV, AV. V for violet or for red color. Size of BR, AR is equal to root of BV, AV. So here in this, the lens produces the image of white object AB with the sizes as BV, AV and BR, AR with respect to violet and red colors. Then the size of BR, AR is greater than size of BV and AV. Okay, third option is correct. Next one, a wire gauge is illuminated with blue light and a convex lens forms a sharp image of it on a screen. If now the wire gauge is illuminated red light, first illuminated with the blue light, second it is illuminated red light. To get a sharp image, again the screen must be. So what is the place of this screen? What should we have to do? So screen must be moved towards the lens, moved away from the lens and placed there itself, moved to the infinity. So the screen must be moved away from the lens. Okay, second option is correct. Next one, the focal length of a lens depends on color of light, radius of curvature of the lens, material of the lens, all the above. So focal length of a lens depends on all the above. It depends on color and depends on radius of curvature and depends on material of the lens. So focal length of a lens depends on all the above. Fourth option is correct. Next, out of a convex, a plano-convex and a concave lens of equal focal lengths, an image with a minimum spherical aberration can be produced by any lens, convex lens, plano-convex lens, concave lens. So here an image with a minimum spherical aberration can be produced by plano-convex lens. Third option is correct. Next, in this question, a converging lens is used to form an image on a screen when the upper half of a lens is covered by an opaque screen. So first option is half of the image will disappear, no part of image will disappear, intensity of the image will increase, intensity of the image will decrease. If you cover upper half of a lens by an opaque screen, what happens to the image? First option is A comma C are true, second option is A comma D are true, third option is B comma C are true, fourth option is B comma D are true. So in this fourth option is correct, because when the upper half of a lens is covered by an opaque screen, the image, no part of image will disappear, only intensity of the image will decrease. Okay, B and D are true. Next, a real image is formed by a convex lens when it is cemented with a concave lens. Again the real image is formed. The real image shift towards the lens system, shift away from the lens system, remains in its original position, shift to intensity. Here a real image is formed by a convex lens. When it is cemented with a concave lens, again the real image is formed. So the real image is shift away from the lens system. Second option is correct. In this first one, convex lens, a convex lens always gives a real image. A concave lens always gives virtual image. A convex lens gives also magnified virtual image. A concave lens can be made as a convergent lens with a suitable medium. Here in this above statement, the true statements are: first option is 1 and 2, second option is 1, 2, 3 and 4, third option is 1, 3 and 4, fourth one is 2, 3 and 4. Here a convex lens always gives a real image. Convex lens in one situation, it also gives a virtual image also. So it is incorrect. Second one is a concave lens always gives virtual image. Right. A convex lens gives also magnified virtual image. Yes. A concave lens can be made as a convergent lens with a suitable medium. So the correct option is fourth option. 2, 3 and 4. Except one, all the remaining 3 are true statements. Correct statements. Okay. Thanks for watching this video.